So are you ready to own that piece of paradise on Maui? But maybe you're tired or even worried about managing a property from miles and miles away, and having the stress, headache, and anxiety that comes with it? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, what I'm going to talk about is what My Brockhage has to offer at Coldwell Banker Island Properties. What we have to offer is we have our own in-house vacation rental company. It's called Island Vacations. So in this video, what we're going to be talking about is the 5 reasons why you should trust us and our company, Island Vacations, to go ahead and manage and operate your vacation rental from thousands and thousands of miles away. What this does is this actually allows you to enjoy your vacation rental while you're on island, and also to enjoy the benefits of having a very successful company run your vacation rental from thousands of miles away. Whether you be in California, Washington, Oregon, Canada, whatever state you're in, we specialize in managing those properties for you so that you can rest assured knowing that your property is being taken care of by my company, Coldwell Banker. Because there is a lot that goes into running a very successful vacation rental, and here are the 5 things that you need to do to actually run a successful vacation rental. So the number one thing that you must do when you run a successful vacation rental is marketing. Marketing is the backbone of any business, any Airbnb, and really just anything in the world. This video right here is marketing. This is exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to marketing, is you need to be able to market the property, market yourself, market what it is that you have to offer in that particular unit, complex, whatever is around the unit, whether that be Sugar Beach, whether that be Big Beach, or the shops at Wailea, or whether you're close to Cam 1, Cam 2, or Cam 3, and also informing them exactly what it is that's in the area. So that's where marketing comes in. Marketing is super important when it comes to managing a property, because if you have nobody marketing the property and nobody's renting the property and there's no income coming into the property. That's why I'm super excited to talk to you guys about this marketing strategy. We market our property on all 300 listing platforms that are available for short-term rentals, which gives you a wide reach and exposure to all different types of markets and people who are interested in actually renting your vacation rental. So the next thing that goes into the marketing aspect of what it is that we do at Island Vacation is professional photos. It is very important for you as a host or even the property management company to take professional photos and not to cheap out on this. So the chances of you getting top dollar for your property that you're actually putting on Airbnb with low quality photos is drastically changed because of the quality of the photos that you actually present and put onto the platform. So once again, you guys, what we focus on is professional photos being taken. So that's what we have to offer, is the complimentary photos that we have for every new listing that is listed in Island Vacations. So the next thing when it comes to marketing is there is a one-time fee that is an annual fee of $500 with no additional cost or any extra marketing fees, because we know the cost effectiveness of a property actually producing cash flow and being successful in the rental market is extremely important to anybody who's making this type of investment. Lastly, for the marketing aspect, is we don't charge any onboarding fees at all. So we understand the importance of a smooth transition when it gets to renting your property on Airbnb or any other platforms that we list it on. So that's why we don't charge you a fee to actually get your condos ready. Our number one goal at Island Vacations is to make the process stress-free for you and as profitable as we can make it for you, so that once again you can enjoy the property with your friends and family when you actually come back to the island, and it's just the way you left it. So the second thing that we're going to talk about is professional cleaning. That is one standard that Island Vacations actually holds true to, as well as they are very, very picky when it comes to the cleaning of the properties, making sure that it is immaculate when people come in. How we do that is we actually make sure that there is an assigned cleaner to each unit individually, which is probably one of the most important factors of actually having a successful vacation rental, is the cleanliness of the unit. So with our experienced housekeeping managers, or arrival inspectors as we like to call them out here in Maui, so they have a very, very high standard of cleanliness, almost like they would in the military. So before someone actually goes into the unit, it's being checked to make sure it's clean, and then as they are leaving, they're also checking to make sure it's clean, nothing's broken, damaged, or anything along those lines, so your property can continue to be in the state that you left it when you left the island. At Island Vacations, I can assure you that they take a very high pride and a high priority in the cleanliness of your unit. Now, the third thing that I want to talk about is the maintenance of the property. So when it comes to maintenance, you guys, let's say something happens at the unit, like let's say, God forbid, the toilet, or there is a flooding in the unit. The last thing that you want to get is a phone call in the middle of the night to you saying, hey, the house is flooding, what do I do? There's absolutely nothing that you can do. You would not be able to get to the property fast enough to help the situation. So that's why maintenance is super important to have under control and under lock when it comes to actually managing a vacation rental. So one way we do this at Island Vacations, we make sure that we have very established relationships with local vendors in the area, ensuring that preventative measures are actually being taken to foresee any problems that could persist in the future or could happen in the future, so that you have an ease of comfort knowing that your property is being managed and maintained properly while you're thousands of miles away. So whether you need help scheduling regular maintenance concerns or need us to handle unexpected issues promptly, our team is there for you. You can just imagine us as a SEAL Team 6 for your vacation rental. So we are actually dedicated to taking care of all the day-to-day needs when it comes to maintenance, so that you can enjoy your island vacation from thousands of miles away while you're not here, and when you're here you can also have that same level of service while you're here as well. So this is also important to note that this service is not just for the people who actually stay in the Airbnb, but this is something that's also offered to you when you actually come to the property as well. So we know that you'll have a sense of ownership when it comes to actually being here and being able to take care of things on your own, but I do know that if there is something that you are not able to do, there is a way that we can help you as well. The fourth thing that we're going to talk about is accounting services. So we understand that managing a vacation rental can actually come with a lot of its own challenges that you probably weren't expecting. So that's why we offer a large range of services for our clients. And we do this so that we can help alleviate the burden of actually running a successful property. So what we do is we handle all GE tax filings as a complimentary service to you by paying utilities and unit costs on your behalf using rental revenues, providing you with detailed monthly statements, including year-to-date numbers and year-end statements, so that you can stay on top of your property's performance while under the management of Island Vacations. So the fifth thing would be reservations. So at Island Properties, what we do is we actually pride ourselves on providing comprehensive hands-on manage of the client's rental properties. So our full staff actually manages and actually lives on island and closely monitors listings and rates to ensure maximum occupancy for the most profit for those units. Our team is actually available to both guests and the owners of the property, so that we can make sure that everybody's needs are met across the board. So what we also do is we utilize dynamic pricing software to adjust rates according to supply and demand, while still maintaining minimums for optimal use and revenue for the property. Plus, the other thing, you guys, is that our easy to use owners portal actually allows you to actually see future bookings and reservations, so that you can actually go ahead and book your own time and stays for yourselves, your friends, and your family at ease. At Island Vacations, what we do understand is that transitioning from one property management company to another can be very stressful. So that's why we have a wealth of experience in actually making this process as smooth as possible if it ever comes to that. So we believe that a vacation rentable property is your home, and you should be able to use it as much as you like without any limitations whatsoever. So additionally, there are no hidden fees or surprise costs that you should be expecting. So here are the fees that you could be expected to pay. So there is a 25% management fee on the revenue, and there is a 3% credit card fee and a $500 annual fee. We also offer a reduced management fee of 15% for bookings referred to from the owner. So those are the 5 reasons why you should trust us and our company at Island Vacations to go ahead and manage your rental property while you're gone. So with that being said, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. So my name is Devin Atkins. I'm a licensed realtor on the beautiful island of Maui. I specialize in the Kihei Wailea short-term rental area. Now, if you guys have any questions or any concerns about anything that I did not cover in this video, just feel free to comment down below and let me know your questions and your concerns. So if you don't feel comfortable in actually putting a comment down below, feel free to go ahead and reach out to me on any of my social media platforms right here, or you can also go ahead and reach out to me. My contact information is right here, and I'd be glad to help you and assist you in anything that you need. And if you guys are actually interested in getting your hands on a vacation rental, please go ahead and reach out to me, because that is what I specialize in. So with that being said, you guys, my name is Devin Atkins, licensed realtor on the beautiful island of Maui, your short-term rental specialist. God bless and aloha.